the Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. And if you can tell us a little bit about the context of this video before we can listen into what he had to say.
Sara, Kumaraswamy, while addressing the press conference, he hinted that he is not going to speak on this incident, but he gave a lot elaborate of information about Siddaramaiah. In the bite, Kumaraswamy has said that he has mentioned about the tragic incident that happened in Siddaramaiah's family back in July 2016 when his elder son Rakesh Siddaramaiah died in Belgium due to acute pancreatitis. So this incident happened in July 2016 and when Siddaramaiah was the chief minister in his first term. But even though Kumaraswamy said that I will keep it for in future, I will not speak about it, but he hinted at this particular incident and went on to say that PM Modi was the one who helped you and did not defame you and your family, during that incident. And for that person, now you are comparing Prajwal Revana's incident to PM Modi. What kind of courtesy is this? That's the question Kumaraswamy has, asked Siddaramaiah. I think we can speak more about it after playing this particular bite.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತ ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ಅವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ, ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇದಾ ನಿಮ್ ಸೌಜನ್ಯ? ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, JDS ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಥಾನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಸಮಯ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂತ ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ ನಾನು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ಅವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ, ಸುಷ್ಮಾ ಸ್ವರಾಜ್ ಮಾನ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ಉಳಿಸಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು? ಇದಾ ನಿಮ್ ಸೌಜನ್ಯ? ಕೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಂಬಂಧ, ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ಬೋದು, JDS ಪಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಸ್ಥಾನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರೇ, ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಸಮಯ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ.
Taking a look at this video where he's commented on Siddaramaiah, Mahesh, I have some questions to ask you. A few questions. Now, on one hand, H.D. Kumaraswamy tells the media that Prajwal Revanna's case is about the Revanna family. My father Devagowda or me do not have anything to do with it, but if found guilty, he will be punished and action will be taken. What relevance does it have to drag Prime Minister Modi doing favors to Siddaramaiah then?
See, Siddaramaiah has attacked BJP, on what moral grounds you say BT Bachao, BT Padao. So when this incident blown out of proportion, the Siddaramaiah upped his attack on the BJP. So now Kumaraswamy tried and said, especially when Siddaramaiah, attacked PM Modi and linked with this in particular incident, Kumaraswamy said that did you forget what happened in 2016? There was a tragedy in Siddaramaiah's family when Rakesh Siddaramaiah, the elder son of Siddaramaiah, passed away due to some multiple organ failure in Belgium. Siddaramaiah was, and along with his family, went to Belgium and stayed there for 3 days. Despite best efforts from the medical fraternity, he passed away. And that time, the then External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj helped Siddaramaiah and his family bring back the body of Rakesh Siddaramaiah. And after that, PM Modi had tweeted, expressing their condolences. So this incident, Kumaraswamy mentioned in his press conference today. So that incident when there was a tragedy in your family, PM Modi and Sushma Swaraj were there by your side. So today, when this incident has happened, where he claims to be has no relation with the BJP or the BJP leaders. So why you are now connecting with this incident? That's what the argument of Kumaraswamy is. So, but of course, this is politics.
Yeah.
All is fair and love in war and politics.
You know, it's a very wishy-washy stance of HDK Kumaraswamy, you know, what I see over here. Because what I don't understand about this leader is, he says, don't drag Prime Minister Modi in what Prajwal Revanna has done. But he will drag the Prime Minister to some favor that he's done for Sidramaya. My next question to you is that he isn't HD Kumaraswamy contradicting himself. And I'll ask you, and I'll tell you why I'm saying that. Because once he distances himself from the scandal of Prajwal Revanna, he says, me, my father have nothing to do with it. It's the Revanna family's thing. On the other hand, he says, but we gave Prajwal the ticket to Hassan. We agreed and we gave him the ticket. So what explains the fact that on one side he opposes the candidature and on the other hand he says, but JDS supported Prajwal.
Sara, Kumaraswamy is also the state president of the JDS party. So that's what he mentioned when he said that, you know, there are, in HD Revanna's family, there are 4 members. You know, Revanna, Bhavani Revanna and their 2 sons who are also legislators, sitting legislators. One is an MLC, one is an Hassan MP. So on that basis, he said that, you know, as a JDS state president, we had given him a ticket. But when it comes to family, don't target us or even my father, HD Devegowda. And when it comes to, you know, protesting, why you are protesting at my residence, says Kumaraswamy, hinting that, no, not actually hinting, directly saying that it was completely orchestrated by the Congress. Go and protest in front of the houses of the Congress leaders. So that's what he is claiming. But anyway, the society has been formed. We don't know how much more time it will take to come at least in a preliminary stage to get some kind of conclusion.